An essential home appliance if ever there was one. A refrigerator is often the go-to stop in the kitchen, the heart and soul of the room. Peeking at what's inside is like scrolling through Netflix's massive online movie collection. You don't necessarily know what you want, but it doesn't hurt to look. On a normal fridge, a quick glimpse is all that's necessary to scan its contents. Then there's Whirlpool WRF995FIFZ Frenchdoor refrigerator, which checks in at a whopping 36 inches wide, boasts 32 cubic feet of storage space, and is a bona fide beast. Whirlpool dubs it a pantry-inspired refrigerator, meaning the shelving and layout are inspired by that hold-all kitchen closet, so it's safe to put this model firmly outside the realm of normal. In other words, there's no such thing as merely glancing into this behemoth. It packs all sorts of nooks, crannies, and cubbies capable of holding enough food to feed a small football team. To see just how Whirlpool's Frenchdoor refrigerator fared with daily use, we stuck it in our office kitchen for a few weeks and gave it a proper whirl. Here's what we found. Void of any extraordinarily advanced tech outside of a companion smartphone application. Setting up Whirlpool's Frenchdoor refrigerator is done with ease. While the unit itself is a touch heavy, built-in wheels make it easy to navigate it along carpet or flooring. Additionally, simply plugging its power cord into the wall and attaching it to a nearby water line is all that's necessary to get the thing up and running. If you're handy enough, it's a straightforward DIY project, but by all means get a professional if you don't feel confident in your plumbing skills. It does also require a bit of shelf and bin installation, but Whirlpool shipped the fridge with these mostly installed, making it easy to see where the loose storage slotted in place. What's immediately evident is the fridge looks incredibly clean out of the box. Finished in fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, we tested out Whirlpool's claims and found the surface surprisingly resistant to prints. It's clear Whirlpool gave extra attention to a fresh aesthetic, but above all else is U2026 well. Whirlpool's Frenchdoor fridge. This thing actually towers above all else. It's massive, both inside and out, standing just over 5'8" tall. Whirlpool focused on making this fridge as a pseudo-pantry, featuring